Hello everyone, this is Terry Honeycutt with My Photo Borders. We're excited to release another game day design we just finished. This is the first one we've done for hockey. So for all you hockey people out there, we finally got something for you. So let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you how this design works. So like all the others, you have the text layers at the very top. Just double click on the T and it'll highlight the text, and you can just change it. For the text box color, double click in the bottom right corner of the thumbnail here, and it'll bring up the color picker, and you can change it however you wish. To change the stroke around the text box, double click on the FX symbol, and here is the stroke. You can change it here as well to whatever you like. And let's go ahead and get started with the hockey helmet. So let's start on the left side here. So basically just open the folder up here, and if you scroll down, you'll see highlighted in lavender here. This is the smart object. This is where you'll actually change the logo, but the colors to the hockey helmet are everything you see here highlighted in red. So when you double click on the color swatches, it will allow you to update different parts of the helmet. So let's swap out a logo here real quick just to show you how this smart object works. So basically double click in the bottom right hand corner of this thumbnail. This will open up the smart object, and so we have a temporary logo in here for you. So basically what you want to do is just replace this logo. So we'll turn this one off. I've got one open here, so let's bring it over, the Vikings. And at this point, just do a Control S to save it, and you can leave the document open. We'll come back over here and see how it updates. So as you can see, probably need to come up and over to the left a little bit. So basically just drag it up, maybe bring it over. And this, you'll just have to play around a little bit because the hockey helmet's a little bit different shape than some of our other designs. To get the placement right, you'll just have to work with it. And you can make it as big as or small as you like. So let's bring it over a little bit more, save it. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up actually a little bit more. Sometimes I just run it off the helmet. Let it wrap, there we go. And we could probably go even a little bigger if we wanted to. So let's just scale it up. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, so as far as the logo goes, that's updated. So now we can just go through the helmet and just kind of come up with a color scheme. So I normally start with the helmet color. So I'll start here and work my way up. I'm going to double click on this, and here we can either go with the purple look or the yellow look. I kind of probably like the purple look, but I'm going to kind of go something a little darker. So here you can just play around with the color scheme. Just click on a color to get started. Kind of liking that right there. So let's go with that, and I'm going to copy this color code in case I need it for another parts. The cage color, we can see what it looks like in purple, or you can go black. Let me see, purple or black. All right, let's just go. I tell you what, let's go black for right this second. Let's change the buckles here. So I'm going to leave these clips white. I'm just going to change everything that's blue right now. So the metal parts, let's make those match the helmet, maybe the screws. And I'm just pasting the code that I copied. So there we go. Now, as far as these clips, so here's the ear guard color. Turn it on, off. There you go. And then here's the clips. Let's make those clips maybe black. There we go, that looks a little better. And the chin strap, let's make it black. And actually, I'll tell you what, let's make the chin guard. Yeah, I'm gonna make it black as well. And may just leave the pads white and the inner part of the helmet. So there you go. So basically that kind of gives you an idea how it works. And like I say, because there's so many different parts on the helmet, I mean, you can customize this thing a million ways if you like. So basically, that's what we do. And then, so the background here is basically, it's just a solid background. So there's not much change to that. There's a smoke layer here. You can turn it on or off if you don't want the smoke. And then I have this background here that is basically the blurred out version. I kind of like the blurred out version. But if you don't want it blurred, you can do that. You can turn the smoke off. It's up to you. So the only other thing I need to show you here is if you decide to make a yard sign out of this. So right now the canvas is 24 by 16 and a yard sign is typically 24 by 18. So what you can do is just come down here and go to image canvas size, change the canvas height to 18, and basically you end up with a size for yard sign. So that's that. And then, like I say, everything's broken out in folders, and just keep in mind this only works in Adobe Photoshop because of the smart objects. These will not work in Photoshop Elements. Okay. All right, guys, gals, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or reach out to me on Facebook. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.